Have you ever hit a huge word in a book and just stopped? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you that every long, scary-looking word isn't a wall, but actually a puzzle? Well, today, we're going to crack the code together. I mean, look at a word like independent. It kind of looks like a mountain, right? All those letters just piled up. But I promise, by the end of this, you won't see an obstacle. You'll just see a few simple pieces you already know how to solve. So what's the secret key I'm talking about? It's something you already use every single day. The syllable. It's the basic building block for every single word we speak. Think of it as the secret weapon we're going to use to tackle any word, no matter how big. And it's super simple. At its heart, a syllable is just one little part of a word that has a single vowel sound. That's it. That's the whole rule. Dog has one, me has one. The longest words in the dictionary are really just a bunch of these easy little chunks strung together. For example, let's take the word cycle. That's one beat, one syllable. But watch what happens when we add a prefix, like by. We get by, cy, cli. It's not one giant word anymore. It's 3 little sound bites. It's basically like playing with language Legos. Now here's where it gets really cool. These syllables don't just show up randomly. Nope, they follow predictable patterns. And once you start to recognize these patterns, it's like having a secret decoder ring that shows you exactly where to break a word apart. Now, don't worry, we're not going to turn this into a grammar class, but check out some of these common patterns. You've got things like vowel teams, where 2 vowels stick together to make one sound, like the oo in cooking, or that classic silent E pattern in remake, the one that makes the other vowel say its name. These are the clues that tell you exactly where a word divides. Okay, theory is great, but the absolute best way to get this is to just do it, right? So let's put our new skills to the test and break down a few words together. I'll show you a word and you see if you can spot the breaks. All right, first one on deck is atmosphere. Take a good look at it. Say it out loud if you want to. How many beats, how many little chunks do you hear in that word? Go ahead, take a guess. And there we have it, atmosphere. 3 clean breaks. You see how that sphere part kind of holds together as one single sound? All of a sudden, it's not some big, intimidating word. It's just 3 small, manageable pieces. Easy. You're doing great. Let's try one that's a little bit longer. Alligator. This time, before you even try to divide it, just count the beats. You can even tap it out on the table. Alligator. How many taps was that?
If you tapped 4 times, you are absolutely right.
And we can see it right here. Alligator has 4 distinct vowel sounds. A, li, ga, tor. 4 simple pieces. You are definitely getting the hang of this. Okay, I think it's time for a little pop quiz. Here's the word elevator, and I've got 4 different ways it could be divided. Based on everything we've talked about, which one just looks and feels right to you? Is it A, B, C, or D? All right, let's check the answer key. And it's D, elevator. Each of those parts has its own clear vowel sound, creating 4 perfect beats. And that's it. That's the whole process. You find the vowel sounds, and you find the syllables. You've nailed it. So let's just step back and appreciate what you've just unlocked. This isn't just a party trick. It's a genuine reading superpower that can completely change how you look at words from now on. If you only take one thing away from this, let it be this. You never have to be intimidated by a long word again. Just remember, every single complex word is really just a handful of small, simple sounds all linked together. Your job is just to find the links. So now you've got the tools. You have the decoder ring. The next time you're reading and you see one of those words, don't just skip over it. Stop, break it down, sound it out. You know exactly what to do. The only question left is, what words are you going to decode next?